Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Wi-Fi not working. So once we are here in this desktop view, we need to open the settings. Here, open connections. Now Wi-Fi. Disable Wi-Fi and wait 30 seconds. Then turn it back on. Now it should work properly. If it doesn't want to work properly, you need to tap this gear icon near paired network, of course if you have one, and tap forget here. Now everything should be nice when you try to pair your Wi-Fi network your phone back again. Let's see if it works. I hate this keyboard. For me it works. Let me know if it works now for you. If it doesn't work still for you, you need to go even deeper. So what to do? Hold your finger on the power button, volume down button, and hit restart 2 times. Meantime, you need to restart your phone. Your router. It's of course recommended to restart your phone using the button which is located on the router itself, and try not unplugging your router from the power directly. And actually that should be it. If it doesn't want to work still, you need to either update your software in your phone or completely reset it. I will show you these 2 things in a moment. Of course, not factory reset your phone, you need to do something different. So at first you need to open the settings. Here scroll down to the software update. Now download and install. If you see that you have any update to install, update your phone immediately by tapping. You don't need to actually tap. Everything will be automatically set up. So after the new update, you'll be able to use your phone without the bugs. As you can see, I've got here One UI 5, and let's go even deeper. If you don't get any update, or if you after the update it doesn't want to work, go to the general management. Here, reset, and tap reset network settings. It should work after resetting the network settings. You need to tap this blue button right here. That's it. Bye.